The US dollar bill is more than just currency. It is a canvas of symbols and secrets. Among these symbols, the all-seeing eye stands out. Perched atop an unfinished pyramid, it has sparked the curiosity of many. Conspiracy theorists, historians, and casual observers alike find it intriguing. Why is it there? What does it mean? The all-seeing eye is often associated with mystery and power. It appears on the reverse side of the Great Seal of the United States. Some believe it is a symbol of divine providence. Others see it as a mark of hidden control. Its presence on the dollar bill fuels countless theories. Many connect the eye to secret societies. Freemasonry and the Illuminati are frequently mentioned. These groups are shrouded in mystery and speculation. Their alleged influence over world events adds to the intrigue. The eye is seen as a symbol of their watchful gaze. Despite its small size, the eye's impact is significant. It invites questions and demands answers. Is it a simple design choice or something more? The truth may be elusive, but the search for it is relentless. This essay delves into the origins and implications of the all-seeing eye. The all-seeing eye is not a modern invention. Its roots stretch back to ancient civilizations. The Egyptians were among the first to use it. They associated it with the Eye of Horus, a symbol of protection and royal power. This ancient connection adds depth to its presence on the dollar bill. The pyramid beneath the eye also has historical significance. Pyramids are monumental structures. They are feats of engineering and symbols of strength. The unfinished pyramid on the dollar bill represents growth and development. It is a nod to the nation's ongoing journey. The combination of the eye and pyramid is powerful. It merges ancient symbolism with modern ideals. The founding fathers chose these symbols carefully. They wanted to convey a message of vigilance and progress. The eye watches over the pyramid, ensuring its completion. This historical context is essential. It helps us understand the deeper meanings of the symbols. They are not mere decorations. They are messages from the past, guiding the present. The all-seeing eye and pyramid are timeless. They connect us to ancient wisdom and future aspirations. Freemasonry is a fraternal organization. It has a rich history and a complex system of symbols. The all-seeing eye is one of these symbols. It represents the watchful eye of the great architect of the universe. This connection fuels theories about its presence on the dollar bill. Many of the founding fathers were Freemasons. Their influence on the nation's symbols is undeniable. The eye and pyramid reflect Masonic ideals. They emphasize enlightenment, vigilance, and progress. Freemasonry's emphasis on knowledge and morality aligns with these symbols. The pyramid is also significant in Masonic lore. It represents the journey of self-improvement. Each stone is a step towards perfection. The unfinished pyramid on the dollar bill mirrors this idea. It symbolizes a nation striving for greatness. The eye watches over this journey, guiding and protecting. These connections are more than coincidence. They reveal a deeper layer of meaning. The all-seeing eye is not just a symbol of power. It is a reminder of the values that shaped the nation. Freemasonry's influence is woven into the fabric of American history. The eye is a testament to this legacy. The all-seeing eye is accompanied by Latin inscriptions. These phrases add another layer of mystery. Annuit coeptis and Novus Ordo Seclorum are the most prominent. They are part of the Great Seal and have sparked much debate. Annuit coeptis translates to, "He has favored our undertakings." It suggests divine approval. This phrase reinforces the idea of divine providence. It implies that the nation's endeavors are blessed. This belief was important to the founding fathers. Novus Ordo Seclorum means New Order of the Ages. It is often interpreted as a nod to a new era. Some see it as evidence of a secret agenda. They believe it hints at a global order. This interpretation fuels conspiracy theories about hidden control. The inscriptions are open to interpretation. They can be seen as messages of hope or warnings of control. Their true meaning may never be known. They add to the allure of the all-seeing eye. The Latin phrases are a puzzle, inviting us to seek the truth. Section 5. The Illuminati and Other Secret Societies. The Illuminati is a name that evokes intrigue and suspicion. This secret society is often linked to the all-seeing eye. Founded in the 18th century, the Illuminati aimed to promote enlightenment and free thought. However, its secrecy led to rumors and fear. The connection between the Illuminati and the eye is speculative. Some believe the symbol is a sign of their influence. They see it as evidence of a hidden agenda. The eye's presence on the dollar bill is seen as proof of their control over world affairs. Other secret societies are also mentioned. The Rosicrucians and the Knights Templar are examples. These groups are shrouded in mystery. Their alleged influence adds to the allure of the all-seeing eye. The symbol becomes a focal point for conspiracy theories. The truth about these societies is elusive. They may be more myth than reality. However, their connection to the eye persists. It is a testament to the power of symbols. The all-seeing eye is a magnet for speculation and intrigue. It invites us to question what we see. Section 6. Modern-day surveillance and the all-seeing eye. In today's world, surveillance is a reality. Cameras watch us in public spaces. Our online activities are tracked. This constant observation echoes the all-seeing eye. It is a symbol of watchfulness and control. The eye's connection to modern surveillance is compelling. It represents the idea of being watched. This resonates in an age of technology and data collection. The eye is a reminder of our lack of privacy. It is a symbol of the power wielded by those who watch. This connection raises questions about control, who is watching, and why. The eye becomes a metaphor for surveillance. It is a symbol of power and oversight. In this context, the all-seeing eye is more relevant than ever. The eye's presence on the dollar bill takes on new meaning. It is a reminder of the balance between security and freedom. The symbol invites us to reflect on the implications of surveillance. It challenges us to consider the cost of being watched. Section 7. The symbol, design, or conspiracy. The all-seeing eye is a powerful symbol. Its presence on the dollar bill is intentional. But is it a mere design choice or evidence of a grand conspiracy? This question is at the heart of the debate. Some see the eye as a symbol of divine providence. It is a reminder of the nation's ideals. Others view it as a sign of hidden control. They see it as evidence of a secret agenda. The truth may lie somewhere in between. The eye's design is rooted in history. It draws on ancient symbols and the Masonic ideals. Its meaning is layered and complex. The symbol is a reflection of the nation's values and aspirations. It is a reminder of the journey towards progress. The debate over the eye's meaning continues. It is a symbol that invites interpretation. Its presence on the dollar bill is a testament to its power. The all-seeing eye is a symbol of mystery and intrigue. It challenges us to seek the truth. Section 8. Conclusion. Coincidence or hidden control. The all-seeing eye is a symbol of many meanings. Its presence on the dollar bill is not a coincidence. It is a carefully chosen symbol. But does it signify hidden control? This question remains unanswered. The eye's historical origins are significant. They connect us to ancient wisdom. Its ties to Freemasonry and secret societies add intrigue. The Latin inscriptions invite interpretation. Each element adds to the mystery. Modern surveillance gives the eye new relevance. It is a symbol of watchfulness and control. This connection raises questions about privacy and power. The eye is a reminder of the balance between security and freedom. The all-seeing eye is more than a design. It is a symbol of mystery and power. Its meaning is complex and layered. It challenges us to question what we see. The eye invites us to seek the truth behind the symbols. Section 9. Final thoughts on the all-seeing eye. The all-seeing eye is a symbol that transcends time. It connects us to the past and the present. Its presence on the dollar bill is a testament to its power. It is a symbol of vigilance and progress. The eye's historical roots are deep. Its connections to Freemasonry and secret societies add intrigue. The Latin inscriptions add mystery. Each element invites interpretation. The eye is a symbol of many meanings. In today's world, the eye is more relevant than ever. It is a symbol of surveillance and control. It challenges us to consider the implications of being watched. The eye is a reminder of the balance between security and freedom. The all-seeing eye is a symbol of mystery and power. It invites us to question what we see. It challenges us to seek the truth behind the symbols. The eye is a testament to the enduring power of symbols. It is a reminder of the journey towards understanding.